Hare Krishna, welcome back to our online reading retreat labs. So, we are reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, canto number 1. So, in the last episode, we have read till verse number 10 of canto number 1, chapter number 1. So, today we will continue with the verse number 11. So, I have also the hard copy with me as well as the soft means your online version of Veda Base. So, this is how the canto number 1 first your first canto looks like. And if you do not have a hard copy, you can always request me, and I will help you in getting the entire set installed in your at your home. So let's then, without any delay, let's get started. So I will also share my screen so that you can also see the canto number 1, chapter number 1 from Veda Base. So this is your Vedabase site, and you can sign up for this, and we can go to the Srimad Bhagavatam, canto number 1, creation, chapter number 1, questions by the sages. We are reading as your 11th verse for canto number 1, chapter number 1. भूरिणि भूरि कर्माणि श्रोतव्यानि विभागसा अतः साधोऽत्र यत्सारं समुद्रायत मनीषय ब्रूहि भद्राय भूतानां यानत्मा suprasiddhati. Synonyms: Bhurini, multifarious, Bhuri, many, Karmani, duties, Srutabhyani, to be learned, Vivagasa, by divisions of subject matter, Ataha, therefore, Sadho, O sage, Atra, herein, Yat, whatever, Saram, essence, Samruddhyatya, by selections, Manishaya, to the best of your knowledge, Bruhi, please tell us, Vadraya, the good of, Bhutanam, the living beings, Yeno, by which, Atma, the self, Suprasidhati becomes fully satisfied. Translations: There are many varieties of scriptures, and in all of them, there are many prescribed duties which can be learned only after many years of study in their various divisions. Therefore, O sage, please select the essence of all the scriptures and explain it for the good of all living beings, that by such instructions their hearts may be fully satisfied. Purport: Atma, or self, is distinguished from matter and material elements. It is spiritual in constructions, and thus it is never satisfied by any amount of material planning. All scriptures and spiritual instructions are meant for the satisfaction of this self or Atma. There are many varieties of approaches which are recommended for different types of living beings in different times and at different places. Consequently, the numbers of revealed scriptures are innumerable. There are different methods and prescribed duties recommended in these various scriptures. Taking into consideration the fallen condition of the people in general in this age of Kali, the sages of Naimisharanya suggested that Sri Suta Goswami relate the essence of all such scriptures, because in this age it is not possible for the fallen souls to understand and undergo all the lessons of all these various scriptures in Varna and Ashrama system. The Varna and Ashram society was considered to be the best institution for lifting the human being to the spiritual platform. But due to Kali Yuga, it is not possible to execute the rules and regulations of these institutions, nor is it possible for the people in general to completely sever relations with their families, as the Varnashram institution prescribes. The whole atmosphere is such charged with opposition. Considering this, one can see that spiritual emancipation for the common man in this age is very difficult. The reason the sages presented this matter to Sri Shuta Goswami is explained in the following verses. So we will read the next verse. Before that, just a minute.